Here's a fun little piece that I did recently that I thought I'd show you. This is a bear's tooth, canine tooth. First, I scrimshawed the little bear on there. I made a sterling silver bell cap for it, so it could be strung on a chain or a leather thong, beaded strip or whatever you want to do with it. It's a fun one to do. I've never actually scrimshawed on a bear's tooth before, so it's a first for me. Bear's teeth are very hollow, or at least this might have been a young bear, but it was very hollow. And so you have to fill it with something. I filled it with bone dust and a little bit of super glue, and bone dust and a little bit of super glue, and so on until I had the whole thing filled up and it was rock solid. That way, once I get the bell cap made and fit onto the tooth, could then drill down through it and rivet with a silver wire, rivet it on securely. And if you didn't have it filled, the riveting process would have not worked at all. The wire would have buckled in the middle and it just wouldn't work. So you have to have a solid core in order to do that. And that was my solution.